It remains to be seen really whether or not this is just a big photo op or this will actually have some teeth, because as you mentioned, there is that lawsuit that has this law in limbo, and it's unclear whether or not it can actually be enforced at this point. So once the mayor does sign it, clearly we will be asking him if ultimately this is something that the NYPD can arrest people for. The mayor is going to be signing this bill here in Times Square momentarily after the city council passed a local law that would ban concealed carry anywhere in the bustling tourist mecca and other so-called sensitive areas like schools and subways. Many Second Amendment advocates and skeptics have categorized the move as a ridiculous constitutional violation, which is why a federal judge upstate stepped in to hear the argument following a lawsuit, and now has blocked it. Democratic lawmakers say this is about public safety over personal freedoms. The mayor has said repeatedly that New York City is not the wild, wild west.
We believe it should be appealed. It is the wrong thing to do. We need to isolate areas where people can't carry guns. It's just irresponsible to say New York is different from many other locations. It's too densely populated, and we need to be treated accordingly.
So Attorney General Letitia James announced just yesterday that her office has appealed this lawsuit and the judge's decision to block it. So now he had 3 business days to ultimately come up with a decision on whether this law can ultimately be enforced in the meantime. So we could be hearing a decision on that in the coming days as soon as tomorrow. The governor said that there are other parts of the law that will still be enforced around the state. And as you can see here in Times Square, the mayor is about to step up to the podium in just a few moments from now to sign this bill into law. But again, we will be asking him if there is anything that can be enforced here in the city level because of this ongoing legal drama.